Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create a quotes carousel and add it to a Mozello website. Let's get started. The quotes carousel is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the editor. Here, in the editor, you can edit the content. Select a layout and a skin. Customize the look and feel. And change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the widget to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code and close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now let's head to the Mozello website editor. Please note, the widget content will show only in preview or on the published website. In the Mozello editor, click Add Content block wherever you wish to add your widget. You can also use an existing text on your website. Select a text block and add it to your site. You can delete the text or add the widget to the text. In the text block, you can use the HTML button to view the block source and add the widget code to it. Or, you can use the Insert Code option. Here, simply add the widget code you've copied before. And that's it. Now, the quotes carousel will show on your website.